Hello, DJ here from Farecla. Thank you for joining us for a special live stream presentation of the grand finals of the 2024 Apprentice and Student Bonnet Painting Competition. It feels like only yesterday when we announced Poppy as the winner of our previous competition. Our contestants have been working hard throughout the year, and today we're proud to celebrate the achievements and hard work of Jackson, Riley, Kaylee, Aaron, and Lauren. Later in this broadcast, the judges will announce the winner of the 2024 contest. But before I introduce you to our judges, here's a quick recap of how the competition works. Entry to the contest opened in February 2024 during National Apprenticeship Week. Entrants were tasked with painting a bonnet at their place of work or study within the competition criteria. The bonnet could be no wider than 1.6 metres. Colours were restricted to the Farecla colour palette of yellow, black, white, silvers and greys. The bonnet had to feature a Farecla logo somewhere in the design. Entrants worked hard on their bonnets throughout the spring, and in summer they submitted photos, videos and a methodology. The entries were reviewed by an internal panel and a short list of semi-finalists were published on our website. The public could vote for their favourite, where the entry with the most votes would automatically qualify for the grand finals. That entry would then be joined by 4 bonnets selected by our internal panel. Today these 5 bonnets are to be reviewed by a judging panel from across the industry, and they will announce the winning bonnet later in this broadcast. The winner will receive £1,000 cash, the complete G360 polishing system, and our new G+ cordless rotary polishing machine. In addition, the winner will be invited to join us at the ABP Club's annual convention, where the bonnet will be on display at the Farecla stand. That in a nutshell is the contest, so without further ado, I think it's time we introduce you to our judges.
Hi, I'm Mick Finch from Akzo Nobel. I'm a technical support specialist for EMEA and the vehicle refinish industry.
Hi, I'm Richard Hutchins. I'm the Skills Competitions Manager for the IMI, and I'm here today at Farecla, and I'm going to help to judge on the bonnet painting competition, and as you can see, I'm really excited about it.
Hi, my name's Daryl Head, and I'm a Group Talent Facilitator at the ZIGUP Group, and I'm also an IMI World Skills UK Automotive Refinishing Judge.
Hi, my name's Tom French. I'm the Graphic Design and Brand Manager here at Farecla, and I've been here for 16.5 years.
Our judges have years of expertise and experience in their respective fields, and will be reviewing each bonnet for factors such as ambition, execution, and quality of finish. Prior to the judging, our team gave each bonnet a light clean and polish with a DA polisher, enough to remove any blemishes that may have occurred during transit, but without correcting any of the paint mistakes the entrants may have made. As our judges take a look at the bonnets, here's a closer look for those at home. Our first grand finalist is Jackson Bailey from FMG Repair Services, Stockport. Jackson is 23 and in the final year of his automotive paint refinishing apprenticeship. Jackson's bonnet has a worker bee motif inspired by his hometown of Manchester. To learn more about Jackson's bonnet, visit farecla.com/BPC or scan the QR code on screen. Our second grand finalist is Riley Gale from Barnfield College. Riley is 19 and he has recently completed his final year in a motor vehicle body and paint course. Riley's bonnet was inspired by the livery of Brisker F1 racer Tom Harris's stock car. To learn more about Riley's bonnet, visit farecla.com/BPC or scan the QR code on screen. Our third grand finalist is Kaylee Meadows from Motofix Northampton. Kaylee is 20 and is currently taking part in a fast-track apprenticeship. Kaylee's bonnet takes inspiration from a certain boy wizard and its magical school. To learn more about Kaylee's bonnet, visit farecla.com/BPC or scan the QR code on screen. Our fourth grand finalist is Aaron Marshall from Motofix Swindon. Aaron is 19 and is currently in the second year of his paint sprayer and prepper apprenticeship. Aaron's bonnet features black and yellow marbling with a macaw emblem in the centre. To learn more about Aaron's bonnet, visit farecla.com/BPC or scan the QR code on the screen. Our fifth grand finalist is Lauren Palmer from FMG Repair Services, Milton Keynes. Lauren is 24 and is in her third year as a paint apprentice. Lauren's bonnet showcases classic airbrushing techniques with sun rays, angel wings and fine lining. To learn more about Lauren's bonnet, visit farecla.com/BPC or scan the QR code on the screen. Whilst our judges are deliberating, I have the honour of announcing the winner of the Best Multimedia Award. Every entry was eligible for this award, which was for the best series of photos or videos showcasing the making of their bonnet. Our shortlist this year consists of Riley Gale from Barnfield College, Lauren Palmer from FMG Repair Services, Milton Keynes, and Joshua Markham from Barnfield College. And the winner is Lauren Palmer. Lauren has won a GoPro for her video submission. We'll be sharing the full video on the Farecla website in due course. Congratulations, Lauren. Now, I'm joined here by Judge Tom, which can only mean one thing. How'd you get on?
Yeah, some really good contestants, some lovely bonnets, and we've picked a winner.
Brilliant. Would you like to do the honours?
Over to you, Daryl.
Thanks, Tom. We've spent this morning adjudicating the 5 finalists. Well done to all the 5 that got through to the final. They're all very, very highly skilled bonnets. Me and Rich are now going to reveal the runner-up.
Congratulations, Kaylee Meadows. You have won £500 and a Farecla G360 polishing kit. I think that's worth a round of applause, everybody. Excellent. And now it's my turn with Mick to reveal the winning bonnet. Shall we, Mick?
Yes. Congratulations to Lauren Palmer of FMG Repair Services, Milton Keynes. Lauren, well done. You've won the grand total of £1,000, which is very good. Well done.
Absolutely.
Together with the G360 polishing system and the new polishing machine. Well done, Lauren, but also well done to the other 5 finalists who have put on a really excellent display and good results, which made it very hard to come to the end conclusion. But well done to all finalists, and thank them for the time and effort they put into this work. Well done. It's attention to detail, which is what we look at in these competitions, you know. And it is fine margins, but then fine margins win.
It is a competition and we're looking for excellence. They were all extremely good, but we were just looking for those little things that made one stand out from the crowd.
You know, with such a high stakes prize, we had to be a little bit picky, and we had to look at the finer details.
Thank you to Tom, alongside of our special guests, Daryl, Rich and Mick, as well as ZIGUP, the IMI, and Akzo Nobel respectively, for the time and commitment they have given to this competition and to today's grand final. Lauren's bonnet will be on display at the ABP Club Annual Convention and Night of Nights in November, alongside Elliot and Poppy's bonnets as previous winners of the bonnet painting competition. We hope Lauren will be able to join us, and for those in attendance, please come by to see the bonnets and say hi to the team. Once again, thank you everyone for their time and commitment to this competition, and to you for joining us for a very special broadcast. Until next time from Farecla HQ, goodbye.